Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey everybody, welcome to AI Disruptor 2.0. We are so excited to be sharing this new opportunity with you where you can tap into 400 million visitors of free traffic. Traffic you never have to pay for. You don't need funnels, you don't need sales pages, you don't need email marketing, you don't need any of that stuff. All you do is use AI to auto-magically create amazing stuff, products, digital products, and all kinds of products. Put them on this platform and you start selling like crazy. And you'll see tons of proof down below of people who are crushing it on this one platform that receives 400 million visitors a month.
Yeah, I'm super excited. We had AI Disruptor 1.0 where we went out after and showed a different platform, and tons of people had success. Everybody came to us and said, when are you going to make AI Disruptor 2.0? Dave and I have been absolutely immersed in the AI world for some time, going after all kinds of strategies, and this is where it's at. So like Dave said, 400 million plus buyers that you don't need your own website, you don't need your own traffic, you don't need to have your own skills, you don't need to have your own product. Everything that you can think about, you don't need to show your face. Everything that you think about of, I don't want to do this. You don't have to do social media, etc., etc., etc. All you do is you get in here and then you get into, with a one-time small payment, you get in here and then you get into our membership site and we show you exactly what to do, step by step, where you can have these products created literally for you, and we show you exactly what to do, where the money's being made, and how you can do it the same. It's not just us crushing it. It's great to have a concept. It's great to have a theory. But when we're doing it ourselves, and we're showing you that now we have other people doing it also, there's nothing stopping you from doing it. So don't be nervous. Don't say, well, I'm this, I'm that, I'm from this country, I'm this gender, I'm whatever it is that's holding you back. There's nothing holding you back. All you need to do is follow the simple steps, and you can absolutely crush this brand new, crazy way to make money.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.